Okay, let's talk about other brain box that is here. Keyboard camera control. It means you can rotate your camera on a 3D object with the keyboard shortcuts. Just select it and done. If you go to the character node-based system, you can see they add mobile control and there should be camera. I think we have to update that. Let's see. I think I make it. Oh, it's connect to the wrong object. You have to go to 3D World. Don't forget to select your main character. It is not mark out character. You have to delete that. Don't forget. Oh, sorry. It's it's not correct. I suddenly drag it in a character, bring it back to the object. Select that and again add a brain box. It's better to face such a this issue to better understanding what happened in buildbox. Camera control and it's done. Make sure that it's added here. It is to camera, to button, rotating left and rotating right, and this is a camera rotation. Note, if you go to your 3D World and preview your game, you can see with Q and E, I'll connect with Q and E, camera rotate in your any direction that you want. Okay, nice, interesting. And here amount of rotation amounts, how this is actually a speed of your rotation. And you can choose any keyframe for your rotation. For example, PO, for example, PO, any rotation that you want, Q, and you can click any key on your keyboard and choose this. Or of course, if you are in a mobile for jump button from here, you can add any other keyframe here for run and jump.